Yo, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and this is not a custom ROM video as you can see from the title. Today in this video I'm gonna be talking about monitor ghosting and how can we fix it. And by the way, I bought this BENQ GW2480 which is a 24-inch IPS display, and this is a 1080p monitor. I have bought it like a month ago and I have been using this monitor heavily, and this is just running fine, but with only one issue that I have been facing is the monitor ghosting. As you can see, the result is this video. And I have been using a TN panel of Samsung, like that was a 19 or 20 inch monitor. I have been using it for like 6 years, so I never faced this kind of issues. That monitor had like pretty good like gaming performance and stuff, but that was a TN panel. Colors were not nice at all, but on this monitor colors are really accurate. So I bought this IPS monitor just because of the colors, but once I started using it, I have been facing this monitor ghosting kind of issues. I'll show you what kind of issues I have been facing. I don't know if the camera will like judge it properly or not, but in reality I have been facing the issue as whenever I scroll the screen, if I am like browsing internet and there are some texts, if I scroll it vertically, there will be like some kind of bold stuff, like the texts become bold for a couple of seconds. If I just try to scroll it down like forever, and the texts become just bold and it looks annoying, and it stays there. Like for human eyes it stays there and it looks really annoying. And whenever I like play games like PUBG, like I play PUBG emulator by the way, not the PC version, because I don't have a GPU by the way, that's a different story. If I play like PUBG, whenever I scope in, I see the scope like here and there, like it's not proper, like I can see the ghosting pretty much. So that was kind of issues I have been facing. So here is how you can fix it. First, go to your monitor's main settings menu, then go to picture settings and expand it. Then over here go all the way down, or you can just use the up key to go all the way to the bottom. Now on this AMA settings, as you can see, it's set to premium. Now just turn it off. Yes, it is supposed to make the performance better with premium, but it actually does not. So just turn it off and you are done. And some other manufacturers has a different name instead of this AMA. AMA is for BENQ only, I guess, and some monitors has this OD or something like that. I can't recall properly for the Acer and HP and other monitors. This is the OD. You just need to turn it off, and then you will see a lot less ghosting, or you will see a lot less like that kind of stuff where you can see glitches. And let me show you the demo once again, that what kind of issues I have been facing before and how is it right now. So both clips side by side are slowed down to 40%, note that. I think you can notice it on the left side. We have the AMA set to premium, and on the right we have the AMA set to off. And even if you are not noticing any huge difference in this video, in real life scenario I am telling you, it's definitely gonna improve your monitor's performance and remove any kind of ghosting for sure. So yeah, I know this is a different kind of video for this channel, but I tried to make it as far as I can. And give it a like if you liked this video, and if it helped you, share this video with your friends if you feel like this is a good content. And this is Tito from Carry and Tech signing off for today. I'll catch you guys with a different video in the next one. Bye bye now.